this week's big release is Gone Girl. So I picked up the Blu-ray here and it looks so awesome. Okay, so it's kind of not in a usual Blu-ray case. It's like this. So yeah, we're just going to take this wrapper off right away. So it's like a different even wrapper and it feels really cool. So yeah, this cover is awesome. So look at that, there we are. And then it's got like this at the top, got the side, back. Okay, and then look at this, it's got a book. Now I've not seen the movie, so I don't really know. So it comes out of its slipcase like that way. And then look, here's the book. Amazing Amy Tattletale. So I think this makes a lot more sense once I've seen the movie. But this is such a cute little pretty thing to have. Like look, it's so, I don't really want to bend it, but it's done so well. Like it's got all these illustrations and it's like a little children's storybook. Like how cute is that? I thought that was so cool. So yeah, this Blu-ray is £15. So I think for the quality of it, like the box and this wonderful little book, that's so cute. So you get that little book with it. And then let's look. Here is the so here's the digital copy that you get. And then look, here's the here's the Blu-ray. So that is so cool. The artwork on this is amazing. There we go, Gone Girl. And then there's the back of this bit. Okay, so then let's look at the all the stuff. So yeah, when I picked it up I was like, whoa, it's really heavy. So let's look at the back here, because obviously there's not a back on the other actual back. So there's the description. Special feature, we've just got a commentary by David Fincher, who is awesome. And then there's a little bit there. So yeah, I can't wait to see this. I think I'm going to watch it tonight. Okay, so let's look at these. So the runtime is 142 minutes. Subtitles, it just has English for the hearing impaired, and audio, it is just English and English audio descriptive. So there isn't really any subtitles, but it is region free, region A, B and C, so that's pretty awesome. And it is rated an 18 for strong bloody violence, very strong language, which I did not know this was an 18, so I was like, oh. But yeah, so that is Gone Girl, and how it's just so awesome. I just love this packaging. I love that it's like this. Oh, the cover is different too. See? And I love that it comes in this little packet and it's got a little book. So it's definitely worth getting the Blu-ray for this one because, okay, I can't get it back in, because you get like a special little set. Kind of reminds me more of like a digibook. Oh, there we go. Okay, so that is Gone Girl. Let me know if you have seen it. Let me know if you've picked up this edition. I definitely recommend it. It feels so lovely and it looks so awesome. Just look at that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Comment down below if you've seen it. Thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxings, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye!